100 Garden City Plaza. These are different. Lo and behold, monitor TR. White.
Traction. Okay.
These are probably modernized at different times. Oh, God.
Close door.
Ooh, which one is that? That one has a nice motor.
I guess it's like
That was the longest. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that. Which one are you going to L?
Yeah, appreciate it.
Got it. Love those. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna try something. Tiny gap. Hold on. No. I'll wait for it.
down.
Oh, wait. Let's see if this one serves the basement. No, only one served the basement.
Of course it does.
They just have that one.
I guess it's on the down button. Oh, okay.
It's an okay elevator system for the two buildings.
I'm surprised these got higher.
Yeah, they have completely different fixtures. The other building has PTL. I'm more surprised at the other building. If only these had the funny chime. Oh, sorry, wrong floor. There's just a desk up there. It's fine.
Absolutely lovely.
It's fine. We're getting off.
I don't want to be under.
The cabs are nice, but they're not as nice as another building that we saw earlier. This Plaza's alright at best. White monitor TR. Nathan, you're gonna love me. Formerly Armor. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's it.